How does Philips Hue TV work? Philips Hue TV works by syncing smart lighting with on-screen content to create an immersive viewing experience. Using the Philips Hue system, lights change color and brightness in real time based on the visuals displayed on the screen. This enhances the atmosphere, making movies, games, and shows more engaging. The system operates through different methods, including the Hue Sync box, Hue Sync app, and direct integration with Ambilight TVs. First, smart lighting synchronization. Philips Hue TV connects with Hue smart lights to extend on-screen colors into the room. Lights adjust dynamically to match the brightness and shades of the content, creating a more immersive effect that enhances entertainment. Second, different ways to sync. Users can sync Philips Hue lights with their TV in multiple ways. The Hue Sync box connects directly to HDMI devices, translating video signals into light effects. The Hue Sync app allows screen mirroring on a computer, syncing Hue lights with content played on a PC or laptop. Some Philips Ambilight TVs have built-in Hue integration, eliminating the need for external devices. 3. Customizable lighting effects. The Hue system offers different lighting modes, including video mode, which adjusts lights based on on-screen action, and music mode, where lights pulse to the beat of the audio. Users can customize brightness, speed, and intensity through the Hue app to match their preferences. 4. Voice and app control. Philips Hue TV works with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Users can control lighting effects, change colors, and adjust brightness using voice commands or the Philips Hue app. 5. Enhanced gaming and movie experience. Gamers and movie lovers benefit from the immersive lighting effects, which extend action beyond the screen. Fast-paced scenes feel more intense, and ambient lighting improves overall visual comfort by reducing eye strain in dark rooms. Philips Hue TV enhances entertainment by expanding colors beyond the screen and syncing with visuals in real time. With multiple syncing options, customizable effects, and smart home integration, it transforms TV watching into an immersive lighting experience.